Hey, what's up? Welcome to another unboxing. Welcome friends, family, and strangers. Today, we're looking at some lights. Small Rig by Moore. This is the Vibe P96L RGB video light. It's lightweight. It's got all kinds of range of color, 2500K to 8000K. It's got FX lighting modes, and it's compact. It is pretty compact. Look at the size of this box. Let's open this sucker up. Let's stop talking about all the box. It's blue. It's fancy. So I got this one on Amazon. It's pretty cool. I had one just like it. I lost it. It was pretty similar to this one. Unfortunately, I did lose it. So I had to buy a new one. Let's check it out. We get ourselves the manual. Ooh, it's nicely packaged and squared up. That's cool. Ooh, there's the device. Nice. Aluminum. Heck yeah. It's an LCD screen in the back. Or is it LED, I mean? Probably LED screen. The range, color range. Maybe mode changing too as well. Brightness. Power. Mode. Nice. What else does it come with? USB-C? Yes, sir. USB-C. Pretty cool. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick, man. Look at it. Got some manufacturing dust or something like that on it. Small Rig. Nice. It's made in China. Turn it on. It's got battery life. Full battery life. Nice. This is the color range. Nice. That is so cool, dude. Brightness, it's already at its max. What's this one do? Interesting. Okay, that's interesting. So it gives you like the strength of color and its range. Ah. Ooh, I like that. That's actually get full on yellow, lighten it up a little bit. That is really cool. Of course, brightness. I like the roll. That is really pretty sick. Oh, it even tells you how much time is left in that brightness mode. 3.5. Ooh. Let's go to 50%. That has to be 1.7. 2.5, 1.2 hours of this light mode. Brightness? Damn, that's pretty bright. Let's check the mode. A1 flash. Okay, let's go up. Fast. TV screen. Oh man, that's crazy. I like it. Do I push in for B? Yes, I do. Candle. Candle. Candlelight would be like around there or something like that. So if it's off the side and you, yeah, you can get pretty crazy at the, oh, we're at C. Let's go back. B. Flame. Flame on. Heck yeah. Next, oops. There was another one. Let's go back to B. B3 is flame 2. It's a faster flame. This might be smaller because it's more flickery. You know what I mean? Let's go C. Police. Oh, that's crazy. Sound effects not included. Alright. Ambulance. C3 fire truck. That's pretty cool, man. Then back to police. That's sick. Strobe. Strobe 2, a little bit faster. Much faster. We're in the alien scene right now. Sigourney Weaver and everything. Alright, let's go to the next mode. E. Chase slow. That must be just changing throughout the different levels of colors. A little bit faster. Ooh, much faster. That's cool. That's F. Firework. Oh, pop. Yep, that's pretty cool. Firework 2, a little bit faster, I guess. Yes, a little bit faster. Firework 3, bam. Yep. And then G Club. Oh, we're in the club, y'all. There we go. Romantic. Ooh, I like that one. G3, remember that. G3, romantic. Oh, you adjust the brightness, it starts it over. Club. Alright, is there an... Oh, that's it. Another mode. Oh, this must be only light, white color. Oh, that is pretty cool, man. No modes in that one. Warmth. This is nice, I like this. Ooh, nice and toasty. Alright, no more modes than that. And then back. There we go. That is pretty sick, actually. Well, there we go, guys. This thing is pretty awesome. You could use it in many different applications. Obviously, I have one right here. I was just pretending I didn't see it, but I got two of them. I had to get two of them just simply because one is just not enough when you want to have multiple colors or just multiple lights aiming at your product. If, like, for example, I'm doing an unboxing and I want that extra light or extra depth of light, something in the background, something in the foreground, you know what I mean? Like, there's plenty of applications, especially when you have more than one. Especially if you're doing a shoot or something, one dies out, you got to grab the other one, charge the first one while working on the second one, vice versa. Cycle through them or use them both, man. Hell yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, guys, that's it for this one. You guys take care. We'll see you again. Thanks, friends, family, and strangers.